Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you House Profi Small Sofa Bed. It's a 3-in-1 folding sofa bed with, of course, bed function, and armchairs with side pockets and adjustable backrest for, I think the premier thing is that it is a gas bed because it's space saving. Linen fabric sofa bed. It's available in dark gray and in light gray, as you like. The seat depth is 65 centimeters. The seat height is 44 centimeters. The weight limit is 220 kilograms. Whoa! It's 65D, 96W, and 86H in centimeters. The item itself, the sofa bed, it comes with a weight of 44.3 kilograms and a leg length of 5 centimeters. The home use 3-in-1 sleeping chair here is really cool because you can transform this chair into a bed. Oh, that's really cool. It's a nice and really cool looking furniture. It is an armchair plus a bed. Ooh, that's cool. We have the 3-in-1 sleeping chair with bed function for home use. This offers us a whole more flexibility. The sofa bed with roller design and practical carrying strap, it is particularly comfortable. It's transforming the chair into a bed. It's easy peasy. No matter what room, whether large or small, folding sofa is always our best choice. Also perfect as a guest bed for adults. And we have an adjustable backrest. This comfortable sofa bed in a smaller version features a 3-stage controller that allows an angle of 108 degrees, 145 degrees, and 180 degrees. Adapt to different scenarios. Whenever we want to read, sitting, or watch a movie while lying down, this is always the best choice. And it comes with sufficient support. The combination of wood and stainless steel in the frame ensures an even load. The capacity is up to 220 kilograms. The breathable nylon fabric provides pleasant comfort. Each material is strictly controlled, and there is also a splash guard on the bottom to ensure that the foot area does not slip during movement. And it's well prepared. They provide extra pillars and 2 large pockets for us. When used the sofa and recliner chair, the cushions provide sufficient support for our back and or neck, with the back support bar when used as a bed. The side compartments offers a plenty of storage space and can be used as a simple folding bed in the office or as a guest room bed. This extendable sleeping chair comes in 2 boxes. We have to look that we get 2 boxes, of course. And then we have a reading chair options. This is comfortable for leisurely reading sessions, for example. Or we have a reclining backrest. This is perfect for enjoying television shows or movies. And we have a flat layout. This is either for home office or a guest bedroom. We have simple operation, more designed and easy to move. We have an increased bed balance. Then we have store magazine and books. It's either for small rooms or apartments, reserved for low usage guest rooms. This is ideal use in a movie theater or a media room as you like. It's suited for the office use or at home. You can choose where you like to use this easy peasy house-proof small sofa bed. And it's easy to attach. It's easy to assemble, of course. We take the armrest, get this with the main main area. We tighten the screws. This is our only 4 screws which we have to tighten there. Then we go the backside support. We attach this by using 4 screws and attach this to the backside. This gives a good of balance in there. After this, we go to attach the front part of the small sofa bed. There's a cover which we have to attach, and then we are ready with the assembling. It's really easy, as you can see. This is the Hausprofi small sofa bed. It's a 3-in-1 folding sofa bed with bed function armchair, with side pockets and adjustable backrest for a gas bed, space saving with lined fabric, and so on, in gray or in dark gray. Thanks for watching. Or please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Son.